You can change the Wi-Fi password through the following path. Setting advanced setting. Set Wi-Fi password. Enter the old password on the first line. Enter the new password on the second and third lines. If you forget the old password, don't worry. You can first disconnect the device. Then press the button on the device 5 times in a row. Short presses to reset the device to factory settings. At the same time, the Wi-Fi password will be restored to the default 12,345,678. After successfully changing the password, you need to reconnect the device. First, forget the previous Wi-Fi. Then enter the new Wi-Fi password to connect.